And if you don't get out the shower looking like Corbin Blue, that deep conditioner ain't for you. Okay, so step one for me is to pre-put my hair with chunks of aloe vera. This step can be skipped, but I recently had like a deep conditioner that didn't really take well to my hair. It was just like sitting on top of my hair, like I could feel it did not moisturize at all. So I wanted to go in with aloe vera because it's very healing, very strengthening of your hair strand, and it just has some great properties that I really wanted to work into not only my hair, but definitely my scalp. So right here you see me in the shower going ahead and working the aloe vera chunks into my hair. So for the deep conditioner, you're of course going to need aloe vera. So I'm using a whole aloe vera leaf, and I'm also going to use the chunks that I had in the shower because I waste nothing over here. And I came out with about 16 ounces collectively, but you're only going to need like a cup, 8 ounces for this DIY. I mean, depending on your hair thickness. And you're going to need some moringa powder. That's what's here. 1 cup of moringa powder. If you don't know about moringa powder, it is very just life-giving. It's known as the tree of life. This is a leaf. It's broken down finally into this herbal mix that you can add into a lot of like smoothies and things like that for internal ingestion. But for your hair, it has properties like zinc and iron, and all those things inside of it go to making your hair stronger and retaining length, which is of course what I am trying to gain here. So if you know me as well, you know I love my teas. Tea time is always great, and it's important that you know that topical treatments do work to your hair, but what you eat is what you are, essentially. So taking moringa internally is great to fight off so many diseases, and it's just like one of those miracle plants out there that if you don't know about it, I'm here to put you up on game about. And then the last ingredient is olive oil. So this is the final consistency here. So it broke down very finely and creamy, like it just reminds me like indigo. I did the indigo treatment on my hair not too long ago, and it just reminds me of that. So to apply, you want to go ahead and wet your hair first to help your hair strands absorb the mixture to open up your cuticles, and then you want to go ahead and go in with your deep conditioner. So I'm just applying it very generously. That's why I like to do my own DIYs, because I'm very, I guess you could say, heavy-handed when it comes to applying products. But it went on very well because of the slip that the aloe vera adds, and because of the thickness, it really just put a blanket like over my hair, which was very needed. So I finished like braiding it all up off of the camera for you all, and as you can see in the next clip, it's gonna give my hair like a green tint, and it also makes my hair get some like hang time because it's like weighing my hair down. So I went ahead and slept with this in my hair overnight, and the results are to follow. So I can definitely tell when deep conditioners work because my shrinkage be on like 1,000 in the bounce. I can't really capture it too close. If you're natural, then you know what I mean, and this is it. I am so happy with moringa powder and aloe vera. So I want to thank you all for watching and watching to the very end. I appreciate that. But as always, I pray you all continue to live your blessed life. Be blessed.